happened?
Love, I touched the rat.
Rat?
Yes, big. Nangangalan na ako. Take this one home, give me. Dali.
Where is the rat?
It's here inside, see, it's moving. The rat is very big. Give it to me.
Why? How we can... You go down, how we can catch it?
Hold. Hold properly, ah.
Okay, okay.
The rat is very big. Wait lang.
What do we do?
Hold properly. The cat is very big.
Ano?
Oh,
Big rat?
yes, big. Hold properly, okay?
Oh, okay.
Hold.
Huh?
Hold properly, ah. Ay, dami na ito.
Love,
Ano ba?
what happened?
Wait lang. Perfect. Marami ako mabibili ngayon. Hold properly, the rat is there. Uy. Oh, dami ka ng pansa. Oh, hold properly, the rat is there.
I am holding!
Wala na ba? Wala na?
Mana? No have!
No. Maybe. Huh. Wait lang. Ah!
Where is the rat?
Galing. Galing mo talaga magtago. The rat is there. Hold it properly,
I am holding!
Okay.
Where take the money?
I will come back. I will go to shopping and grocery.
Shopping!
Hold it properly. The rat is big.
Love! Love! What I will do na?
No, 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 no.